close till I...
Hi fam, how are you doing? I hope you are doing well. Welcome again to my channel. If you are new here, thanks for joining the family, and if you are a returning subscriber, I appreciate you so much for your continued love and support. Actually guys, your love has been so immense. Guess what? We are at 100 subscribers. Yay! I'm so excited guys. Yeah, I'm going to celebrate with you every little milestone that I make. Yeah, it's so big for me guys. So guys, let's get to 200 soon. Actually, when I last checked, we were at 140, 150 around there. So guys, let's continue supporting each other, and I urge you to continue supporting me guys. Yes. Today I'm so excited because I finally got myself something which I've always wanted for so long. I got myself a ring light, and it's something I've been wanting for so long because it's actually going to take my content into another level. And actually I've not been so consistent because filming when holding the phone all the time it's a lot of work and it's so tiring, and I thought, why not sacrifice myself and buy a ring light? Although it's not that big, I'm going to do an upgrade later. So I hope this one is going to come in handy and do the work for the meantime. So stay tuned guys, and let's unbox together. So here is my ring light guys. It's a 12 USB ring light. Yeah, it has 3 colors, color change, warm, white and cool, and it has a USB power supply. Yeah, that's how it comes, but it also comes with a free microphone lapel. Yeah, so let's unbox. So here is it guys. This is basically the ring light. Yes, this is the ring light. Yes, then this is the cable, the USB cable, and this is the Bluetooth shutter. Yes, then this is the microphone lapel. Then this is, I don't know what this is, but we are going to figure it out. Then I guess this is the phone holder, I guess. Yes, and I don't know what this is, but we are going to figure everything out together guys. And this is the tripod. So this is basically everything that the ring light consists. So stay tuned and let's fix it together.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go. Yeah.